Hello guys, welcome back in my Campervan conversion. In this episode you will see how I'm gonna install roof windows. There's gonna be one in the front and one in the back of the car. I'm just gonna make it shorter, so I will show you the front one as example. So here you can see I'm putting some masking tape on the roof, so I can mark the window actually where it's supposed to be. And my dad, he's underneath in the van, and he's gonna drill some corners, holes, so I can see where exactly I'm supposed to have this pamphlet. This piece of wood is exactly the same measurement and the size as the real window is gonna be, so I'm just drawing outline so I can see where I'm gonna be doing those cuts for the window. And here I am. So I just used my jigsaw with the blade for the metal. It was really easy, so I would definitely not recommend you to go with the grinder or something else. This is a really easy job and you can do it with the jigsaw. The problem only is that all this sawdust, this metal dust, it's getting really rusty and it's gonna stay on your paint, on your van. So make sure when you're gonna clean it, you really need to clean it properly and get rid of all the dust, all this sawdust, as much as you can actually. So now I'm using base paint, to protect the car against the rush or to get the rusty or something, because you really have to protect it. So all those cuts need to be painted. And then here I am with my father installing some wood from below. You need to glue that with the special glue. Somebody's using Sikaflex. I was using Dekaseal. There is a few different options for the different purpose. Here you can see I'm leveling the roof because the roof is not straight, of course, so you need to use some leveling. I use the plastic 7mm thick to make it straight. Now of course I glue it again with the Dekaseal. And I use these clips to hold it in position until the glue is gonna be dry. So I'm going all the way around, making the surface straight. So here is the window. This is how it looks like. I bought this Fiamma brand. It seems to be alright. So one is with the electric fan, and the one is just the window. So this is how it looks like when it's all the way straight and flush. I'm just making sure there is enough sealant all over, so there's no gaps, there's not gonna be any leaks later. And once this is done, I'm gonna put the window on the top, so I can mark all those holes where the screws will go later. So now I'm using just a small drill bit to mark all those holes, and later I'm gonna drill them all the way through and use the long screws. That's why I was using this wood from the bottom. So here you can see there is a wood and all the screws are going to the wood, which is gonna be holding into much better. So you just need to do like a wood frame, so all the screws will go to the frame. And here we are again. This is my cousin, and he's helping me with the side window. So I cut the side window exactly the same way as the roof windows. You just put the masking tape or duct tape all over the wall. Then you mark the window, take like 5 times measuring, make sure the measurement is really correct. and then use the jigsaw with the blade for the metal, and I cut all the way around. Here I'm showing you I'm using a Dekasyal. Cannot remember right now what the number, so I'm gonna put it down in the comments. And there's a different Dekasyal for the wood frame, and there is a different the sealant is different for the window, so you need to make sure you put enough sealant. I actually put the whole tube for the window, so do not worry, don't be greedy and use a lot of sealant. It's better if it's gonna like a kind of stick out and then you're gonna cut it off later. So here it is, done. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode. Have a good day.